Hey guys, I'm here with my 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500, and this particular one did not come with wheel well liners, so I purchased those from the dealer. We're going to install those today. They come in a big giant box, but you can take them out and they fit nicely in your back seat if you need to transport them. They just look like this, and they come with some mounting hardware. That is our part number, I suppose. The bag comes with a bunch of these little metal clips and screws in it as well. So this is what you have to install in each one of the holes that a bolt is going to go through. So all these little holes where bolts are going to go through to hold these things in, we need to go ahead and press those into place before you put the liner in. So there are 7 square holes down here, 3 along the back, 2 here, and 2 in the front. So that's where your 7 clips go. All right, setting this one like that, it's gonna go on the driver's side or left wheel well. Just gonna literally tuck it in here. It's got the split in the middle, so I can just fold it in like that. All right, so the key is just to get the inner thing tucked around the inside of your wheel well, and then these 3 posts should stick through the bottom. So just after you get that, all of the other ones should line up with holes that are behind them. These are just tucked back underneath this for now, and just get it to that spot. And you can see that this side here has this plate built in for this screw to screw into the plate, and it has a hole over here for that screw to pass through and not interfere, so it's just held on right here. All right, these are all 3 32 inch. So we'll just line them up with all of our holes and start them by hand. All right, so for the bottom ones, we're gonna have to undo them. They're the same size, and we're gonna reuse the hardware to go into that hole. So I just went ahead and removed both of these, and then there's a little give. You can pull it open and you can see these 2 clips. They're similar to the other side, so I'm going to squeeze these tabs back in and use a flathead screwdriver and just pull this back out. All right, I've got the screwdriver in there now, and I'm just gonna twist that guy out. All right, so I'm just gonna pull him out, remove him, and the screw will go all the way through and go into that new metal plate. And we'll leave the left side in there and reuse that. All right, you can see we just tighten that back up. This one just has a through hole, and we're good to go. So just do the same thing on this side over here. The retaining clip on the front side is actually a lot easier. You just have to remove that single bolt, and you can lift it out like that. It's just clipped over the edge. And now we're going to reinstall using the new plate that came with the liner. So it comes with 2 of these kind that you twist on by hand. You start with them by hand, and then you can use the socket to finish them off. So one goes here in the back, one goes here in the front, and then we have the little press-on circular one in the middle. And this one you can just push on and press all the way up. All right, so here is a little before and after for you. So before, you can see underneath, and it looks very unfinished in my opinion. And the after, everything down there is all hidden as it should be, and looks a lot more like the front. Yep, so here is the front. So we can see it looks a lot more like the front and matches well. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, follow along. I got a lot of other accessories, mods, and maintenance content on this truck coming up on the channel. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.